Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Amir Hussain, and as you know that from past few days we are discussing the chapter 5, that is print culture and the modern world. And in this chapter we have already discussed some of the topics, and we are discussing the topic that is the print revolution and its impact. And I have told you many things about this. What does print revolution mean? What this print revolution was, and what is the contribution of John Gutenberg? We discussed that, and now moving ahead, we had also taken up the impact of the print revolution, the revolution which was seen in the Europe, in which, especially in Germany, in which printing press was invented by the efforts of John Gutenberg. And after that, many significant changes took place in various fields. And in the earlier lecture, I told you that this transition, this transformation, or this revolution, print revolution, it transformed the lives of people. It changed their relationship to information and knowledge, and it had many impacts on the relationship of the people with their institutions, with social institution, be it with this political institution and other institutions, and it influenced the popular perceptions, public opinion as well. And now new approach developed, and we discussed how a new culture, that its impact, print revolution's impact, that is a new culture came into being, and that in that culture there was shift from hearing public to the reading public. Now reading public came into being. Now common masses who before the invention of printing press, who had no access to the books, to the printed to these printed books, and now these people got access to printing, to books. Now their tastes changed. Now they became the regular readers, and now for them a wider for the wider section of society, now books started producing, a large number of books were produced for them. And this transition which was seen there, this was a kind of transition, that is the transition from hearing public to the reading public. इससे पहले वो सुनते थे खाली, अब उन्होंने खुद जो है पढ़ा. But this transition was not simple transition. It was not simple. ये ट्रांजिशन जो हुई, ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो यूरोप में हुई, जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग जो है, जो इससे पहले स्टोरीज सुना करते थे, जो इससे पहले folk tales सुना करते थे, now these people, now transformation took place. Now these people started reading the books, reading the stories, reading the novels themselves. So this was a transition, but this transition was not simple. Why it was not simple? Because the books could be read only by the literate. So this was natural. How could an illiterate being, a person who don't know how to read the book, who don't know the ABCD of the English, how can he or she read the book? So the books, this was the transition, this was the limitation of the transition. Although there was a shift from oral culture to now, from oral tradition to now reading tradition, a new culture of reading emerged with the access of books by all the people. Now books, they could be read only by the literate section of the society. And it has been found that in Europe, till the 20th century, till 20th century, literacy rate literacy rate was very low in most of the European countries. ये जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज थी, आप देखोगे 20th सेंचुरी तक लिटरेसी रेट्स जो थी, द लिटरेसी रेट्स were so literacy rates till 20th century, literacy rates were very low in most of the European countries. That's why only a few section of society who know the reading, how to read, who were literate, only they could read the books. Now the question is that how was it possible for the publishers to persuade the common people to welcome the printed book? अब ये कैसे पॉसिबल था, कैसे मुमकिन था कि पब्लिशर्स जो पब्लिश बुक्स को करते थे, कैसे वो परसुएट करते, कैसे वो राशि मनवाते आम लोगों को कि आप भी वेलकम कीजिए इस प्रिंटेड बुक्स का. एंड इट इज सेड दैट फॉर दिस it is said that they had to keep the publishers, they had to keep the wider reach of printed books, sorry, this is printed work, printed work in mind. इन्होंने वाइडर रीच जो थी, बहुत सारी वाइडर एक्सेस जो थी प्रिंटेड वर्क्स की, इन्होंने ये याद रखा इनको. इन्होंने ऐसे ही किया. एंड इन्होंने इनको बहुत सारा सेक्शन जो है जिनको पढ़ना आता था, उनको इन पब्लिशर्स ने याद रखा. हाँ, ये लोग जो है ये इंटरेस्ट थे. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इवन it was found that those who did not read, even for those people, but those people who could not read, but only they could enjoy listening to books. अगर बहुत सारा इलिटरेट सेक्शन था जिनको किताबें पढ़नी नहीं आती थी और पब्लिशर्स ने उनका भी ख्याल रख दिया, हाँ, मगर वो एंजॉय बुक्स को करते थे, बीइंग रीड आउट. अगर बहुत सारा सेक्शन जो था सोसाइटी का वो इलिटरेट था, तब भी जाके उनके इंटरेस्ट को जो है, देयर इंटरेस्ट्स वर केप्ट इन माइंड. So their interests were also kept in mind, although they could not read, but certainly, surely they could enjoy listening to books which were read out by others, by the literate section. So these publishers, they tried to persuade the common people so that common people can also welcome the printed books. So for this, the printers began publishing popular ballads and also folk tales. Why this was to attract the common masses. Those who are illiterate, those who don't know how to read the books, those people used to enjoy the listening to books, and these books were read out by others for them. And that's why, in order to take care of the common masses, their interests, printers began publishing popular ballads. जो popular ballads होते थे, historical accounts, तो या folk tales जो होते थे, इनको publish printers ने किया. And these books, whether these were ballads or folk tales, these were illustrated with pictures. इनको पिक्चर्स भी इन बुक्स में जो है, इन पॉपुलर बैलेड्स, जो मशहूर बैलेड्स होते थे, हिस्टोरिकल अकाउंट्स होते थे, चाहे उनमें या फोक टेल्स में, प्रिंटर्स ने पिक्चर्स इसमें डिपिक्ट कर दी. पिक्चर्स इलास्ट्रेशंस के लिए, ये जो कहीं पे टेबल होता था, कहीं पे किसी का जो है मिथिकल अकाउंट होता था, वहां पे इन्होंने डेकोरेट किया इन बुक्स को विद पिक्चर्स के साथ. एंड then these popular ballads and folk tales, these were then sung or these were recited. या तो इनको सॉन्ग्स के थ्रू जो है गाया जाता था या रिसाइट किया जाता था. either they were recited, and these two things, whether these were sung or whether these were recited, they were recited at the gatherings. ये gatherings जो होती थी in villages, वहीं पे these popular tales, these popular ballads, folk tales or ballads, these were sung or recited at gatherings in villages. गांव में जिस जगह गैदरिंग होती थी, जहाँ पे लोग ज्यादा बैठते थे, वहीं पे इनको गाया जाता था या इनको पढ़ा जाता था, रिसाइट किया जाता था. एंड इवन these were sung or recited in tavernas in towns. या तो इनको गाँव में गैदरिंग्स जब होती थी, लोग जब जमा हो जाते थे, वहां पे गाँव में पढ़ा जाता था या गाया जाता था. या तो टावर्नस जो है, टावर्नस क्या होता था, what were these taverns? Taverns were places where people gathered to drink alcohol. ठीक. So or to be served food, and to meet friends and also exchange news. So these folk tales or popular ballads, these were used to be sung or they were recited at the gatherings in villages, either in the gatherings in villages, या तो ये गांव में जहाँ जिस जगह लोग जमा होते थे वहां पे इनको पढ़ा जाता था, या इनको जो है गाना गा के जो है इनको वहां पे गाने के थ्रू लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाता था. या टाउन्स में जो है, कस्बों में जो आमतौर टावर्न्स में ये रिसाइट किए जाते थे या ये संग किए जाते थे, गाए जाते थे. और टावर्नस क्या होते हैं? टावर्नस वो जगह होती है, ये हम टाउन्स की, जहाँ पे आमतौर लोग गैदर होते थे, जमा होते थे, या तो वो शराब पीने आ जाते थे, अल्कोहल पीने आते थे, या उनको सर्व किया जाता था फूड, और वो वहाँ पे अपने फ्रेंड्स को जो है मिलने आते थे। दे यूज्ड टू मीट देयर फ्रेंड्स देयर एंड आल्सो एक्सचेंज न्यूज। और वहाँ पे ये लोग जो है जमा जो होते थे इन टावर्न्स में, टाउन्स में, तो वहाँ पे ये एक्सचेंज न्यूज भी करते थे। एक जगह से दूसरी जगह की न्यूज जो थी, इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती थी, खबरें जो होती थी, ये वो भी एक्सचेंज करते थे, एक दूसरे को बताते थे। सो दिस वाज कि हाउ these printers, how they take the care of common masses while publishing the books. And also this oral culture, the oral culture, ये जो oral culture था, ये जो orally transmit होती थी things, it now entered the print. ये oral चीजें जो the things which were the folk tales, the myths, or the popular ballads which were recited or which were these transmitted from population to population, from people to people, from generation to generation before the invention of printing press. This now, this oral tradition, this oral culture, now it entered print. अब ये printing में आ गया, अब ये इसको छपाया गया. Now these myths, now these ये जो orally transmitted से पहले हो रहे थे, बैलेड्स होंगे या यही फोक टेल्स थे, अब ये प्रिंट के थ्रू लोगों तक आ गए. एंड आल्सो दे वर दिस ओरल कल्चर, इट आल्सो एंटर्ड प्रिंटेड मटेरियल. एक तो हुआ प्रिंट में आ गया ये, अब ये प्रिंटेड मटेरियल के प्रिंटेड मटेरियल जो है, प्रिंटेड मटेरियल वाज आल्सो orally transmitted. Now two things happened with the invention of this print culture. One, oral culture, which was till now orally transmitted from generation to generation, now it entered print. अब ये print में आ गया. Second, printed material जो है, that was orally transmitted. जो printed material अब available था, उसको orally अब transmit किया गया. उसको भी जो लोग लिटरेट थे, उन्होंने इलिटरेट कॉमन मैसेज तक वो ट्रांसमिट किया ऑरली है, और वो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन कंटिन्यू रहा. एंड नाउ आल्सो देयर वाज लाइन ऑफ डिमार्केशन. line of demarcation. Now you will see there is line of demarcation, and this line of demarcation, it separated oral and reading cultures. Now a demarcation, a line was set and it was fixed, and that line was fixed between the oral and the reading cultures. Now what oral culture was, that was clear कि oral culture क्या था. And now there was also this reading culture जो है, ये दोनों इनमें अब जो है लाइन ऑफ डिमार्केशन फिक्स की गई, ब्लर्ड की गई. And now the hearing public and reading public, now with the coming of the printing, these two public, that is hearing public and the reading public, these two became intermingled. ये दोनों इंटरमिंगल हो गए. अब जो लोग सुन रहे थे उस पब्लिक में, सुनने वाले पब्लिक में और पढ़ने वाले पब्लिक में जो है इंटर मिंगलिंग हो गई, ये एक दूसरे से जो है इंटर मिंगल हो गए, एक दूसरे से इतना ये गुम हो गए एक दूसरे में कि पता ही नहीं चल रहा था हियरिंग पब्लिक कौन है और रीडिंग पब्लिक कौन है. Because now hearing public, those people who could not read out the books, those who could not read the books properly because of the illiteracy, now those people, what they started, those people started hearing the stories from from which people, from those people who already were literate, who know how to read the book. जो रीडिंग पब्लिक था, जिनको आता था कि कैसे बुक को पढ़ा जाता था, अब उन्हीं लोगों ने पढ़ के सुनाया दूसरे पब्लिक को, और इस तरह से ये दोनों पब्लिक्स जो है ये एक दूसरे में इंटरमिंगल हो गई. सो दिस वाज अबाउट प्रिंट रेवोल्यूशन एंड इट्स this impact a little bit to one point about its impact, its changes that brought the changes that were brought by the print revolution, printing press, actually invention of printing press in Europe. Now we will continue our series of lectures. So this was all about today's topic, today's lecture. Hope you have understood this lecture well. Thank you.